Oh, the sound is so interesting. You play piano very well. I really want to sit down and glide my hands on the piano. How long have you played piano?
Playing a musical instrument is a great hobby to have. I started playing piano from last year and still enjoy it now.
There are many kinds of music instruments. Why did you choose to play piano?
It's a perfect way to relax and cheer me up when I'm feeling down. Do you like any music instruments?
Yes, I do. I really want to learn more about different music instruments.
Me too. Let's go to Sound of the Earth to find out together.
Yeah!
Hi everyone, I'm Lynn. I'm in class 6, Chengfu Secondary School, Yanggi City. The reason I attend English Speaking Contest 2022 ĐኤNG UNESCO Global Geopark inside because first, I want to improve my English skill. I have a dream that one day I can travel over the world. Second, our hometown is beautiful and wonderful scenery. Through this English contest, I want to introduce ĐኤNG Global Geopark to many people.
Let me introduce myself. I am Quyên. I'm in class 6 Chengfu Secondary School, Yanggi City. English is my favorite subject. Through this contest, I can learn more about music instruments, knowledge, and improve my English skill.
Here we are staying in front of South Earth, belong to ĐኤNG Global Geopark. ĐኤNG Geopark was established in 2015 to preserve the historic site. It includes 5 districts and 1 city and was recognized as Global Geopark in July 2020 by UNESCO. There are 44 destinations with 3 travel routes: Rhapsody of Fire and Water, Wind of Change, Concerto, and Sound of the Earth.
This is the first time I hear about this. Can you introduce more about Sound of the Earth?
The Sound Gallery throws 2 kilometers away from city center. It has 8 rooms with 7 topics: natural sound of dawn, wind, fire, water, wood, light, and ourselves human beings.
Awesome! I can't wait to discover this place.
Yes, let's go inside. Here is Sound of Stone. This little phone, people in Central Highland call it sculpture. It's an interactive artwork.
Oh, we just need to knock on it and it makes sounds.
We can try it. Cheer up. Oh,
Amazing!
let's go to next room. Here is Sound of Wind.
What's that?
This is the dynam made from bamboo. It's just used in the funeral in the elderly people.
This mabuk made from dry wood and bamboo, a very important musical used in the Manam people.
This small kind of flute and this timbre kind of flute too. They often play at ceremonies.
This roulette and this instructor.
And here in ceremony, there are many instruments in this room. Here is silent sphere. You can blow inside to hear the sounds. Wow.
I did it! Let's go to next room. Here is sound of water. Listen, you can hear sound of waterfall. It can make you relax and you watch water on the TV.
What's next? Here is Sound of Wood with many kinds of guitar and woodlines. Most exciting one is this drum, made of wood and buffalo skin.
Wow! People can use the light from a mobile phone to shine fake flowers on the trees to make sounds. Here is sound of fire, and you watch fire on the TV. Here is sound of light. Awesome!
Here is sound of ourselves. You can feel it by following instructions here.
Oh my god!
We just walk around the sound gallery of Đắk Nông Geopark. It's impressive with many traditional musical instruments of ethnic minorities in Đắk Nông. It's the special culture of people here.
Let's explore Đắk Nông and the beautiful things here.